How to fix App Store app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. Error on your iPhone. First tap on OK. Now go back. Open settings. Here check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now tap on Apple ID. Here scroll down. Tap on media and purchases. Here tap on view account. Here tap on country region. Here select the region you want to change. Here tap on continue. Tap on agree. Here put all the information. After this tap on done. After this your country and region has been updated successfully. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.